Hey folks, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the wild world of crypto without all the fluff. Today, we're talking about something that's been buzzing louder than ever, Pepe, the meme coin that's got everyone from newbies to whales paying attention. If you've been scrolling through your feed or checking the charts lately, you know exactly what I mean. But stick around because we're breaking down why this frog is hopping higher in 2026. And trust me, you won't want to miss the details that could change how you look at meme coins forever. First off, let's get real. Have you ever wondered how a simple frog meme turned into a multi-billion-dollar asset? Pepe launched back in 2023, inspired by that iconic Pepe the Frog character from the internet's early days. It started as pure fun, no roadmap, no utility promises, just community vibes and viral energy. Fast forward to now, January 19th, 2026, and it's sitting at a market cap around $2.5 to $2.8 billion, with the price hovering between 0.0057 and 0.0067. That's after some wild swings, but here's the kicker. It's not just surviving, it's rebounding strong. Think about this. Last week alone, PP saw a 12% rebound, reclaiming key support levels and putting that bullish setup back in play. Analysts are calling it out. If it holds above 0.072, we're looking at potential pushes to $0.80 or higher. Why does that matter to you? Because in a market where Bitcoin's chilling around $95,000 and alts are waking up, PP's showing resilience that bigger coins envy. Remember those dips in late 2025? Yeah, they shook out the weak hands, but now it's forming higher lows, and the momentum's turning up. But let's pause. Have you checked your portfolio lately? If you're like most people, you're probably wondering, is this just another pump, or is there real fire here? Well, let's look at the charts. Pepe's been testing that key support near 0.0057, and it's showing bullish signals like a breakout from a prolonged downtrend. One analyst even pointed out a healthy retest, suggesting over 600% upside if the momentum sticks. That's not hype. That's based on weekly timeframes where the downward trend line got breached. Imagine that, starting the year with a setup like this. Now, I know what you're thinking. Meme coins are risky, right? Absolutely, they're volatile. But Pepe's not your average flash in the pan. It's got over 505,000 holders, and the community's on fire. We're talking daily trading volumes over $150 million, keeping the liquidity flowing. Plus, influencers are piling in. Just a couple weeks ago, a big-name trader called for Pepe to hit $69 billion market cap this year. That's a 34x from here. And guess what? Since that call, it surged 34%. Coincidence? Maybe, but the charts don't lie. Let's keep it moving. Picture this. It's early 2026, and meme coins like Doge and Shiba are tumbling with Bitcoin, down 3 to 4% in a day. But Pepe? It's bucking the trend, up 6.5% in spots, squeezing shorts, and liquidating $2.99 million in bearish positions. That's the kind of action that gets people excited. And with the RSI sitting neutral at around 53.65, it's not overbought yet. Room to run. If you're watching the MACD, it's crossed bullish on the weekly for the first time since May 2025. That's a strong trend signal, folks. Okay, quick story time to keep things fresh. Remember when Pepe rocketed 55% in a single week earlier this month? It outperformed Doge and Shiba because of that retail surge and improved liquidity. Whales are in too. One held a 3x leverage position worth $12.85 million. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite the volatility, projections for end of January are pointing to 0.0065, 0.069. Some even say 30-35% upside from here. And longer term? By the end of 2026, averages could hit 0.0062, with highs up to 0.072. But why PP over other memes? It's the attention economy. In crypto, liquidity follows hype, and PP's got that in spades. It's listed among top buys with Floki and others, and the bull flag on the charts is massive. If alt season kicks off, this could be the one leading the pack. Just look at the forced liquidations fueling surges. It's a cycle of momentum building on itself. Now let's talk risks because we're keeping it balanced here. Pepe's dropped below key EMAs recently, and if it breaks 0.1050, we could see lower lows like 0.1036. But the flip side? A two-phase movement. Correction, then recovery. Analysts see it targeting $0.0076 if the bullish setup holds. And with the sector resetting after 2025's chaos, 2026 feels like a clean slate. Have you joined a PP community yet? The Telegram groups and X discussions are lit. People sharing charts, memes, and strategies daily. It's not just about the price, it's the fun factor that keeps holders engaged. And speaking of engagement, if PP maintains those volumes, we're talking serious potential for new highs this year. Wrapping this up, but before I do, imagine holding through this rebound and watching it climb. Projections for 2027-2030? Some say averages up to 0-2029, with bull cases hitting 0-2006 plus. But remember, this is all based on trends and analysis. Crypto's unpredictable, so always do your own research. No one's giving financial advice here, just sharing the facts. If this got you pumped about Pipi, hit that like button right now. It helps the algorithm spread the word. And subscribe if you haven't. We've got more breakdowns coming on hot coins like this. Drop a comment below. What's your PP price target for 2026? Let's discuss. Oh, and one more thing. Head over to the official PP site or check CoinMarketCap for live updates. Join the conversation on X with Dishuo PP. And if you're into communities, search for PP Telegram groups. Stay tuned, stay informed, and let's see where this frog hops next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Write to Justine Clark.